friends, and welcome back to Pixie Dust in Parenting. If you are new here over from the other channels, my name is Allison. This is mainly a parenting channel, but I love to give tips and tricks and hacks for traveling with kids to Walt Disney World or on vacation so that you have a hassle-free and wonderful vacation. Now, my friend Christy over at Christy's Corner asked if I wanted to participate in this Guess Who I Am. I thought it sounded so interesting, so I immediately said yes, and so I'm so excited to open this box to try and guess. I am actually not familiar with a lot of the channels because there were so many channels participating. So I was really excited. I thought it would be a fun challenge. So I will have my phone out looking through kind of a spreadsheet of people's interests to try and guess with you guys who I got. I will tell you at the end of the video who my person was and who I got to send to. And so let's hop into this box. So what I will do first is open the clues, and then we can kind of look over the spreadsheet and figure out who we think it is. Okay, I went and grabbed scissors. They wrapped it really tight, which is good because that means it didn't open, but you know. Okay, here we go. Hi Allison, can you guess who I am? I tried to send items that you would find useful and would like to have also. Good luck. That was so sweet. What a thoughtful. Okay, so I guess the first clue is that this person's incredibly thoughtful. So, all right, let's start. Okay, let's start with this one in the little green wrapping. Okay, this is Harry Potter. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is Harry Potter, and it's the owl from Harry Potter. Okay, so this person likes Harry Potter. All right. You like Harry Potter, but specifically you like, what's his freaking name? The owl, Harry's owl. Oh no, this is not going down like this. I gotta find his name. Hedwig. The owl's name is Hedwig. Okay, so this is a really cute little change purse that's Hedwig. This is adorable. I live less than a mile from Universal Studios. I just totally added myself and let you guys know my location. I mean, I say I live in LA. I can live in a million different ways, but I go to Universal all the time. This is amazing. So thank you so much to the person who gave this to me. Okay, I don't know who you are, but I know that you're a Harry Potter fan. All right, next is this little blue package. And it says, they like to plan. Okay, this is a 2020 planner. It's got a little cat on it, so maybe they're also a cat fan who likes to plan. Okay, so I wanna say they're a cat fan who also likes to plan. I love to plan, so this is great. This is so fantastic. I'm really excited about this. And it's cute, it's like it's a monthly planner. So it is a little cat on the front, if you guys can see, with a little hard nose. I'm trying to get the glare away. And then on the inside, it's got the months, but it's September 2019 to January 2021. So this is like a very valuable month planner, which I love. I can slip this in my purse and it's very useful for me. So wow, this is okay, so you're thoughtful, you like Harry Potter, specifically Hedwig, and maybe you like cats and planning. Okay, that's where I'm at right now. Okay, so finally, I have this little orange, or it's like a peach colored. I think it's a pin. Okay, so this is 3 thumbs up for Haunted Mansion. So maybe Haunted Mansion is your favorite ride at Disney, is my guess. So this says 3 thumbs up. So it has the hitchhiking ghosts on there, and it says 3 thumbs up. It's really cute. It's Disney Parks Collection. Okay, I feel like I've got a really good handle on the clues. I have no idea who the person is, so let's hop into the spreadsheet so we can look it over together and figure out who I think this is. Characters I like. I'm looking for somebody who says Harry Potter. Okay, I think I found you. This didn't take long. just out and about, I think it's Cathy. Because she loves all Harry Potter. She loves Grim Grinning Ghosts. She loves Harry Potter. All kinds except Spinning One. She loves Haunted Mansion. That was the first of her like favorites. Islands of Adventure is her favorite park. Pins, anything Haunted Mansion or Harry Potter. And cats, I found it. Things I like outside of Disney's cats. It's gotta be Cathy from Out and About. Cathy, thank you so much. This was so sweet. It was really thoughtful. The clues were fantastic. I found it pretty easily. This was surprisingly very, very fun. I get nervous playing games. I'm always like, oh, I'm not gonna win. I'm not gonna figure it out. I won't know who it is, but Cathy, thank you so much for making my job very easy. And if you were wondering who I got Christina over at Playdates and Travels. She happens to be a friend of mine outside of YouTube. I mean, we met through YouTube, but we have hung out outside of YouTube because she actually lives about 6 miles from me. So, Christina, I hope you enjoyed your package. Cathy, thank you so much again for this wonderful, thoughtful care package. If you're new here and over from the other channels, thank you so much for stopping by to watch my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I tend to get very giddy. If you like reaction things, you definitely would like my channel. I'm very reactionary. Please consider subscribing. I would love for you to stick around. Please hit the notification bell. And if you want to see more collab videos like this, I will link more of my collaboration videos below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.